Hi, this is Venkatesh. In this video, I am going to explain how to set the class path to access Solid's API. Class path setting to access Solid's API. I'll show you temporary class path setting as well as permanent class path setting. First of all, temporary class path setting. See, Solid's API is a part of solid-api.jar file in a Tomcat's web server. So we need to set the class path to this file. See, I'll open the command prompt here. First you type java p java x dot solid dot solid. Enter. See, it is showing error, class not found. Okay. Java p is a JDK tool and it is used to get the profile of a class or interface. Profile nothing but list of variables, methods and constructors. So with java p command we can get the profile of the class or interface. See, when I type java p java x dot solid we are getting error. See, class not found. See, suppose java p java dot lang dot string. If I enter, it shows the profile of string class. Okay, see, it is called profile of string class. Profile nothing but list of variables, methods and constructors. It is showing the profile of string, but it is not showing the profile of Solid interface, because Solid interface is a part of Solid's API. Solid's API is a part of solid-api.jar file in a Tomcat web server. We need to set the class path to access Solid's API. So first of all, open file manager here. Double click on C drive here. Double click on program files here. Double click on Apache Software Foundation here. Tomcat 9.0. Double click. Click on continue. Here lib. Double click. Here you observe Solid's -api.jar file. This file contains Solid's API. We need to set the class path up to this location. So here copy this location, right click, copy, open the command prompt, just here, set class path. It is a command to set the class path, equal to percentile class path percentile double quotes dot semicolon. It is called append mode. This class path is going to be appended to existed class path. So in our system so many other softwares are present. So other class path settings, this class path is appended. If you don't write this one, it overrides. That's what, better to go for append mode. Here you can paste, right click, paste here slash solid-api.jar semicolon. Now Solid's class path appended to existed class paths. Enter. Now see, here previously we got error. Now you check it. Java p java x dot solid dot solid. See, it is showing list of variables, methods and constructors. Okay. Now this is temporary class path. This class path stored in a RAM. This class path is vanished once if I close this window. See, this class path is going to be vanished. Now, this is temporary class path. See, again I'll open the command prompt, cmd, right click, click on run as administrator. Here cd slash, it comes to root, cls, clear the screen. See, java p, java x dot solid dot solid. See, again we are getting error because this is a temporary class path. Once if you close the window, vanished. Permanent class path. How to set permanent class path also I'm going to show. Just open the file explorer. Here, right click on this PC. Right click on this PC. Here, right click on properties. Here, click on advanced system settings. Here, advanced tab, in that environment variables. Click on environment variables button. Here, class path variable already present. If not present, click on new button. If present, click on edit button. Here, user variables as well as system variables. User variables are specific to user. System variables are common to all users. So if many users are present, all users can use system variables. This is one particular user only can use. But here so many class path settings, so many path settings are there. Better to go for user variables. Here already class path variable present. Then click on edit button. If this class path variable not present, click on new button. Then you type class path here. Then that jar file location you have to write. But if class path variable already present, if you click on new button, it overwrites. It's already present. That's what I'll click on edit button. Now here click on new button. Here paste slash solid api dot jar. Click on OK button. Again OK button. Again OK button. Now you can check. Open the command prompt. Here java p java x dot solid dot solid. See, again we'll get error. See, error. Reason, that class path not affected to this window. We have to open another window. So close this. Open command prompt again. New window. Here, right click. Now here cd slash. Now cls, clear the screen. Java p java x dot solid dot solid. Now it is permanent class path. Even if you shut down your system also, this class path permanently stored in a hard disk. It will be there. This is class path setting to access Solid's API in a Tomcat web server. Okay.